Hi guys! Today I am going to show you how I take out my tape-in hair extensions, and these are from VPFashion. They are amazing. It is such beautiful hair. I colored these myself and I had them installed by Fabio Rome in Wethersfield, Connecticut. He did such a gorgeous job. I have a video on how he installed them and another video on how I colored my extensions this silver gray color. I will link that below. I will also link all of the information to VPFashion where I got these hair extensions down below in the description box. So the absolute only reason that I'm taking my hair extensions out is because the color I cannot match to my natural hair. I have salt and pepper hair. The back of my hair is a lot darker. The front is lighter. I know it's like really close, but every single time that I wash my hair, which is not very often because when you have extensions, you don't need to wash them. You can see this underneath part of my hair is still almost black. It's so dark. I just can't get the right color. So when I wear my extensions, I take this hair and I pin it back here so you can't see it. So when my hair comes forward like this, there's no little black short pieces sticking out under there. If I didn't have to deal with saturating my hair with my color rinse and purple shampoo and purple conditioner every single time that I wash my hair, I would 100% leave these in. And the biggest thing to keep this color is the purple conditioner. The best one that I found is this Shimmer Lights Clairol conditioner. But what you cannot do with tape-in extensions is get conditioner on your roots. And because there's so much short pieces of hair, I need to pull the conditioner through my hair. So when I washed my hair, the tape started loosening because that is the biggest no-no, is don't get conditioner on your tapes or they're gonna start to come out. So I just decided that I'm going to use my clip-in extensions because I can easily dye them and tone them with the Rue Fanciful and the purple shampoo and conditioner. And my ponytail extensions, which if you guys are following me on social media, you will know I wear these all the time. They are so quick and easy. So this is what I'm going to do from now on while I let my hair grow out after bleaching half of it off. And ironically, this is the color that I was trying to get with bleach when half of my hair burned off. And a lot of parts of it were to the root, like down to the scalp in the back of my hair. I've been growing out my natural gray hair and it will be long before I know it. So all I'm going to do to remove these extensions is use 91% rubbing alcohol. That's it. That's all I'm going to use. So I'm just going to clip my hair over to the side and you can see the extension tapes in here. And normally you do not have to use gloves. The only reason that I am is because I have the color rinse in my hair and I don't want to get that all over my hands. Plus, I don't want to wreck my nails. So all you do is take your 91% rubbing alcohol, put it in a little spray bottle, and you spray the tapes. And they will quickly start to loosen up. You just pull on them. Ta-da! There's the top layer. And there's the bottom layer. That's it. It's that simple. Now I'm not putting my extensions back in, but if you are, all you have to do is take a towel, which I don't have one right here, sorry guys. Take a towel, dry that off, make sure the hair is not stuck in there. And VPFashion gives you a bunch of new sticky tapes to put on there. You pull your tape off, and it's sticking to my glove. So you can take your time and get all of the glue off of there, but it's really not necessary. You just stick the little sticker on there, and that's it. You're ready to reuse these, and then all you do is peel off these little stickers to install them. The first thing I'm going to do when I get all of these out is soak my hair in my little oil mixture of black Jamaican castor oil, coconut oil, olive oil, and I use essential oils like lavender and rosemary oil. That's it. It's that simple, you guys. You just keep going all through your head. These are really easy to take out by yourself, but I definitely recommend getting your tape and extensions professionally installed. And if you're taking them out yourself, they might need to organize them. So I would let a professional also take them out, because as you can see, I have different layers that were cut into my extensions. So say I took these out at home and then tomorrow went in to get them reinstalled, we would have no idea where to put these back in my hair. So I would leave it to the person who installed them, because you're going to have to remember what part of your head they were taken from so you can put them back in. Now, you can remove your extensions using conditioner, any kind of oil, coconut oil, anything like that, but your extensions are now going to have like a film, an oily film on them. You're not going to be able to reinstall them until you wash them, dry them. So much easier just to use the alcohol, boom, get them out. They also make a hair extension remover that you can use to take these out. Another big thing that people usually think about tape-in hair extensions is they're going to damage your hair. Well, the only way that you are going to damage your hair is if you have them installed incorrectly. You have to have them installed so that none of your hair is pinching. Your hair cannot be going in different angles into the tape-in extension. It has to be going perfectly smooth in one direction, no hairs pinching or coming from any wrong direction, and you are not going to have any damage in your hair at all. I've also heard people say that there is so much hair loss when you take out extensions. Well, it may look like a lot of hair coming out, but if you think about it, if you've had your extensions in for 1, 2, 3 months, you've had no shedding of your hair in all of these areas. So when you're taking your hair out of these tapes, you've got a few months worth of shedding in your hair. Normally, every single day, I will get a brush full of hair. So if there's no hair coming out, it's all gonna come out at once. So when you're taking your extensions out, do not pull on them. There's no reason to be pulling. I'm not feeling any kind of tugging. Once that saturates into the glue, it just comes right out, nice and easy. If any of them are being stubborn, you just kind of get your fingernail in between the two tapes, saturate that again, and it lets go, nice and easy. So depending on how well you take care of your tape and extensions, you can use them 2, 3, even 4 times. We're getting there. This side is almost done. I have a coupon code for you guys if you are interested in getting these VPFashion hair extensions. I totally recommend these. They are super good quality hair. Even the stylist, Vincent from Fabi of Rome, who installed them, said that they were a really nice quality hair. These tapes are so nice. There is, oh, see how it's dripping? Oh, I'm glad I have gloves on. That is the dye that I had in the extensions. That is dripping out of my hair. So the tapes, there is no residue at all in my hair, which is so nice. There are some hair extensions where the tapes are leaving a lot of glue and gunk in your hair, and there is nothing stuck in my hair at all. Yes, they're out. Now I cannot wait to put my oils in my hair. As you can see, I didn't lose any hair, you guys. Still have plenty of hair here. I don't really think anything fell out when I was taking those tapes out. Oh, I missed one. I missed one. You guys are probably yelling, no, there's still one more. I can't see in the back. All right, we got one more. The last one. Yes, they're all out. Now I am going to use my oil treatment, which I missed so much because you can't put oils in your hair. This is just like an oil treatment that I do once or twice a week when I wash my hair. This is black Jamaican castor oil, olive oil, coconut oil, and what else? Oh, I can smell the lavender oil and rosemary oil. And I just rub this through my scalp, and I'll leave this on for a few hours during the day, or you can even sleep in it, and then wash it out. And this is the ultimate hair growth thickening treatment to make your hair nice and healthy. And after all of that bleach damage that I had, this has helped my hair so much recover from all of that. Oh, it feels so good to feel my scalp again because all of those tapes are in your hair. Then I just comb it through and let that sit. So that was actually super quick and easy. I completely recommend VPFashion hair extensions, and if I didn't have to deal with the salt and pepper matching of the color, I would totally leave them in my hair. So if you guys are interested in purchasing these, I will leave all of the information below with a discount code and the ponytail extensions. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Bye.